Hello everybody, we welcome our Greek friends and we're happy to show them our carbonization plant, and we would be happy to invite other potential partners and investors here to Berlin in order to visit our site. And we are glad that we have such great partners in Greece, and we hope that together we can commercialize our products in Greece and in Cyprus as well. So we welcome Andreas, and maybe you can say something on Greek.
Yes, γεια σας. Είμαι ο Τόσιν Μπέκα. Έκανα το αγκοστάσιο με το φίλο μου το Κρίστοφ και ελπίζω να έχουμε ένα καλό μέλλον για την Ελλάδα και για το Cyprus. Καλώς ήρθατε, αν θέλετε.
Yes. Thank you for the invitation. We are pretty sure that very soon we'll have the first industrial unit in Cyprus and in Greece. I'm looking forward to welcome you to our area.
Thank you very much.